Hi guys, welcome to my first review. I'm here in front of Carmart, Perth, picking up this beautiful green Holden Commodore VE Series 2 SSV Sedan. This car is equipped with a 6-litre V8 engine, specifically the LS2 engine, which produces 402 horsepower, and it is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, providing a powerful and performance-orientated driving experience. This car has been slightly modified with an OTI intake, upgraded exhaust, and it has been lowered a few inches. Let's turn it on and feel how it sounds. Let's go for a test drive. So we're gonna go for a test drive. This is my dad.
Hi guys.
He's gonna take me somewhere and then we'll do the speed test from 0 to 100.
This car sounds really good. I have to say that for a 2011, it's a very well maintained. The interior are in excellent condition.
It's
And,
also leather.
Yeah, it's all leather. 152,000 kilometers on the clock.
Yeah.
Sounds really, really good, as you can hear.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Open the window a bit so maybe we can hear a little bit more the sounds of the engine, which just feels really, really good. Right now we're gonna try to find a good spot where we can do the speed test.
Yeah.
How many seconds the car will take to go 0 to 100. Okay, ready for the speed test, guys?
Yeah. Come on, let's do
3,
this.
2, 1, go. Not bad.
6 seconds and 64. 6 seconds and 64.
Wow, that was intense. 6 seconds 64 for 0 to 100. Not bad at all, I would say.
Yeah, not bad.
If you consider that I also lost the traction a bit in the first few seconds, I would say.
Yeah,
But this car is performance are really, really good.
yeah,
Yeah, I think it's time to take the car back, eh?
yeah. Let's go. Take the car back to Carmart. Anyway, if you guys are thinking to buy a V8 car, this Holden Commodore is for sale at Carmart, Perth. If you mention my channel, you'll get the car with a full free tank of fuel. Big thank you to John and Maurice for borrowing us the car today. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that like button. See you soon in my next video.
Diane's taking time back seat of Jackie's car.